So it is going to be the last video of this course, farewell video, as you have read the topic. In the first video, I mentioned that I need only two things from you: your time, your motivation. So if you have time and if you're motivated, obviously then you're listening to me right now in this farewell video. That is why you have gone through the whole course. Now I need one more thing from you. I need you to practice all the things that we have learned so far, because practice is the only thing that makes man better, not perfect. So we have to get better on Python, and the only thing that will make us better is practice. How will you practice Python? Two ways. There are different websites where you can go, you can sign up. For example, I can recommend you one website which is called www.codewars.com. You can sign up over there for free. You can create your account, select Python as a programming language, and you will find tons of different problems to solve, right? So the moment you will solve one problem, your rank will become higher, and you'll be facing comparatively difficult problem, and so on and so forth, right? And obviously solutions are also available over there. You can check out for the solutions as well. This is one way. Second way is, again, go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT that I have learned this concept, give me some sample questions, right? And once you try to solve those questions, you can also ask ChatGPT for the solutions as well. For example, I have solved this problem. This is my code. Check out if this code is correct or not. And even if this code is correct, tell me better ways to write this code. Obviously, we had limited time. I was not able to tell you everything. I was not able to, practice a lot of things that I wanted to practice over here. Time limitation. So I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to go to ChatGPT, to go to codewars.com, to go to there are other websites that are not coming to my mind right now. Just check out those websites and do a lot of practice. That is one thing. Practice will make you better. Secondly, you should pick up your field, whether you want to go for machine learning, data science, artificial intelligence domain, or you want to go towards website development or these kind of things, backend development or automation kind of tasks, right? So pick your field first. And if you're going towards data science, data analysis, artificial intelligence, then start exploring libraries that are related to this domain: data science, AI, and data analysis. And if you want to go towards website development, then start exploring towards the frameworks that are dedicated for website development, like Django, like Flask, and other frameworks that are available in Python. Same goes out if you want to go for automation. Check out which facilities of Python are available for automation, right? Here we have learned the structure of Python, the basics of Python. Now, how to move toward the specialization of Python, it depends upon which specialization do you want to perform. Which specialization do you prefer actually?